Cons. They're really good. I'd get them if you need to. And now we'll get the one that's on his bike. I don't know what to call it, Odyssey. Oh no, they're like ODIs, I don't know. And
ODI nylon bar ends.
oh, anyways. Then I got the Fit Tech Grips, the lips. Only had them for a month and they ripped. That's how long drill, which every grip would. And then I got the ends of my grips. They're called, I call them Fit, no, Odyssey. Flat roll cufflink, so Odyssey. And they're supposed to be a grip, but I just tore it off and put it at the ends of my life. And I'm really like that. I'm gonna probably do that with every grip. I'm gonna tear this off. I got new grips, but I didn't put them on yet. The really long ones, ODIs. I don't know what to call them. I got stolen cell bars in 2012. He got 13. They look different. I think they're made different too. I don't know, I'm not sure. It's 8.25 lies, 28.50 wide. I think it's wider than here. I'm not sure. Maybe. 10 back sweep, 2 up sweep. And I got my frame. There's a stock. It's a mine. Stolen whack. Whack. Yep. That's how I say it. And I got stolen cyclone. Whoops. It has a shadow sticker, but it's not shadow. And then I got a hollow. My axle on my front wheel is hollow. It's a Alienation Tin Man Fort Hub. It's a hollow axle. It's like the lightest wheel you can buy. With the rim is a Alienation BZ. It's a UL wheel. And then I got the stolen joint tire. It's 80 to 110 psi. And it's 2.25 or 20. They're huge. And then whatever that thing's called is, I think it's called stolen inside of my show. It's I don't know what they call it, BBs. Let's say that. No, it's a headset. That's what it is. And then I got Team Cranks, I think they're on. I'm not sure. I think they're stolen Team Cranks. And then I got the stolen Thermalite pedals. Look good, but they're stripped out right now, but I don't care. KMC Z4 130 chain. It's okay. I mean, I just got it because I wanted a green chain. And that's the max link. That's why it's like white. And my BBs are my favorite part of my bike. The stock. I love stock. It's my favorite brand. Stock is the best. Then I got a stolen Thermalite C-post combo. C-post combo, and then it's like plastic. It's like lettuce you can get. Came on my bike. Then I got stolen choco, I think it is. I don't know. It's just some stock. Not so nice. In the back wheel I got Primo Remix cassette. Some eyes, and then it's not hollow. It's just regular. It's like 3/8 axle. It's then I got a Primo Balance 7005. I don't know why they named that. Then I got a Fit FAF 1.95 tire. And then I hit back the time. Amazing. And my wheel's already bent. And he says I need something else. What is it?
Shoes.
Oh yeah, my shoes. I have my pajamas right now. It's like 10, 11 in the morning. Well, 11 in the morning. It's afternoon. The Etnies. I don't know what to call it. Jameson's 2. I was gonna get the BMX editions United, but they look ugly. I'm probably gonna rebuy LXVI Vans. They're a little expensive, like $100. I looked at them. They're kind of expensive, but I always look at them. They look pretty nice. They're mid. And yeah, that's all my shoes.